I got this item at no cost for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box so we can check it out. All right, so this is the brackets out of the box. And I do have to say, these actually are pretty stout. I put a rack together somewhat like this quite a few years back, and the brackets were really thin and flimsy. It still held up fine, but they were nowhere near this thick. So I definitely think they beefed this up. This should hold up really well. It's got a nice powder coat on it. I'm really hoping that these things are really gonna last me a long time. It's got 2 brackets for the top to support the top edges. It comes with, looks like all the hardware you need to put it together and the instruction manual. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and see how well it works. I've got to cut those boards to the size that I want. Those are treated 2x4x8s. So that way the wood should last quite a long time, just like the brackets. Let me go ahead and get those cut and I'll show you how to put it together. So there's a couple pieces of firewood and basically about how big we cut them. These are not split, but they're smaller pieces. But as you can see here, they fit perfect. I mean, this can handle smaller cuts of firewood, larger cuts of firewood, pretty much whatever, because there's no back to it or anything like that. So if you wanted them longer, you just, center it and put them in there. But this is gonna work perfect for our firewood. Really impressed with it. I really do like how thick the brackets are. Like I said, we had one a long time ago and the brackets were kind of flimsy. It still held up and did fine. Of course, I didn't make it this big, but these brackets are very sturdy. So I believe this one's gonna last me a good while. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.